feeling safe and sound at home. Okay, today we'll be discussing the class for second standard. The lesson's name is, that is Unit 2, the cock and the sun. Okay, children, open page number 18. They have given you some sounds of some animals. Okay, they have given you some blanks and they have given you the animal's name. You have to see the sounds of the animal and complete the blanks there. And see the first one they have given. Let us make the noises that animals make. They make some noise, isn't it? Okay, can you guess the animal? So, in the bracket they have given the sounds of the animal, that is quack, bleat, grunt, bark, moo, chirp, chatter, neigh, roar and hiss. Now fill in the blanks with the cry of these animals. One is done for you. The first one example, roar like an animal. So the animal makes the sound like a roar. The second one, the A one is dash like a horse. It is neigh like a horse. N-E-I-G-H, neigh. B one is dash like a duck. It is quack like a duck. What is a duck making a sound? It's a quack quack. And C, dash like a dog. It is bark like a dog. D is dash like a pig. Grunt like a pig. E one is dash like a goat. It's bleat like a goat. F is dash like a snake. Hiss like a snake. The sound makes a hissing sound, isn't it? And G is dash like a cow. Moo like a cow. H is dash like a sparrow. Chirp like a sparrow. I is dash like a monkey. You chatter like a monkey. Okay, these are the sounds for these animals. Today we'll see what this story about, what this unit is about. Okay, the unit is the cock and the sun. By the unit's name only we can make out the story is about the cock and the sun. Okay, so in briefly we will see what is the story now on page number 19. Okay, so I'm going to read it out and explain it to you all. Just concentrate on your readers. Once the sun wanted to meet all the animals and birds in the forest to know them personally. He asked them to gather near the big rock in the forest at 6 o'clock. So this is the story of the sun. Okay, he wanted to meet all the animals in the forest at what time he gave it? So he gave it as 6 o'clock in the morning and he wanted to know them personally. He asked them to gather near the big rock in the forest at 6 o'clock. So he had fixed a place also and he has fixed a timing also to meet them. The next morning, the leaves were very happy to hear that the sun would be out, but the animals had their own views. Views is nothing but the thoughts. Okay, so they had their own thoughts in their mind. So what were their thoughts? They started expressing their ideas. In the morning, it was the turn of the beautiful peacock to start a discussion. So now in the story, the animals are speaking to one another. Okay, so who has to go to meet the sun or not? We will see what all the works they are having now. So first the peacock is saying, Mr. Donkey, please don't wait for me. It is very cold. I want to warm myself up. I will sleep for a while. So what is the first animal? That is the peacock. In generally, the bird also comes under animal. So peacock is telling that it is so cold outside. So he wants to sleep for a while. So first the animal was peacock. Who is the second one now? It is the donkey. So donkey is telling, so peacock wanted to sleep for a while and donkey is saying that, oh, why do you think I plan to go right now? So why are you thinking that I will go to meet the sun? The sun may not come out at 6 o'clock. I will slowly get ready and go. I will go at 8 o'clock. So his thought was, the sun will not come at 6 o'clock. Who is going to go? So I will go at 8 o'clock. I will get ready myself. So this is the second animal. The donkey was saying this. Now the third one is bee. Okay, it is the honeybee. So what is the honeybee saying? So then I think I can collect some honey before I start. Later I'll attend the meeting. So she said on hearing the donkey's thought. Okay. So he told I'll go at 8 o'clock. So for that the bee is telling, so till 8 o'clock I have so much of time, I can collect some honey. So she will collect some honey. Okay. And afterwards she will go and join the meeting. So who is the next person now? The animal. It is the parrot. Okay. So what is the parrot saying? Let me go to the field and collect some food grains first. There are so many fruits to be tasted. I'll also reach by 8 o'clock. So we'll go and collect the food grains and he will also come at 8 o'clock. So who is the next person to say now? It is the elephant. Okay, so what is the elephant saying? We will see that. Yes, my first work is to take bath. I will go to the river. It is quite far. Is anybody interested in coming with me? So all these animals, they are talking to each other. They are telling their views, their thoughts to one another. Okay. So what this elephant is telling? First I will take a bath. I will go to the river. Okay. Take a bath and then I will come for the meeting. So this was the view given by the elephant. So who is the next person now? After elephant, the lion. So what is the lion telling now? I would rather go by myself. I am the king of the forest. Other animals should gather first. I will come after all of you. So the lion is telling, you all people go first. I am the king of the forest. So I will be in the last. So he will go later because he is the king of the forest. So after the lion, whose turn it is now? It is the fox. Okay. So what is the fox saying? I am the chief minister. I will go with the king. So he is telling he is the chief minister of the lion. So he will be going with the king now. So after this, the owl was left out. Okay, the eighth one is the owl. So what is the owl saying now? You think of who should go first, but do you know how tired I am? I was busy catching mice the whole night. I want to take rest now. So now this owl is telling, oh, what you are thinking that I will go? I will not go because I was busy the whole night in catching the mice. Okay. So he will also go later. So these were the thoughts and views of all the animals. They were talking to each other, okay, to go for the meeting which was held by the sun. Okay, he had fixed a place, he had fixed the timing, that is near the rock at 6 o'clock in the morning. So all these views, they were given by the animals. When the sun rose in the sky, so the next day they had to meet now, only a cock was waiting for him. So when it was the next morning, none of these animals came for the meeting, only the cock was waiting. The cock, who was not interested in such a talk, had arrived in time. So anyway, you cannot see a cock here, isn't it? So he didn't give his idea, he was not interested in that meeting, but he was present first for the meeting. He was habituated to rising early and waiting for the sun. What do you mean by habituated? Habituated is he was used to. Okay, he was used to get up early in the morning and he was waiting for the sun. He did the same that day too. Slowly, all the other animals and birds gathered after an hour. So who was the first person to go for the meeting? It was the cock. Okay. And he was habituated to go, to get up early in the morning, to go and wait for the sun. Because he was used to get up early every day. So that day also he did the same thing. Slowly all the other animals and birds gathered after an hour. The sun was very happy and praised the cock for its punctuality. So punctuality is what? Being on time. Punctuality means being on time. Okay. So the sun was very happy with the cock's punctuality. All the animals and birds felt ashamed. They had not expected the turn of events in this way. The sun also announced a reward. So all these animals, those who were giving the views, they felt ashamed. They got ashamed of themselves because the cock, who was not interested in the meeting, he was there first for the meeting. And the sun was very pleased with the cock. And also he announced a reward, a prize for the cock. So what it is? Sun, from now on, the cock will welcome me every morning. Here is your reward. He placed a crown on the cock's head. It came to be known as the comb. Even today, the cock crows as the sun rises. His grand comb also is attractive. So what reward the sun gave to the cock is, he gave a crown on the head of the cock. Can you see the crown there in the picture also? Okay, a red color crown, he is wearing it. Okay. So in the story, they say that this crown was given by the sun for his punctuality, for being on time. Okay, for being the first person to arrive for the meeting. So he was very pleased with the cock and he gave a crown as a reward for him. And all the other animals and birds, they felt ashamed of themselves. So that crown is also known as the comb. So today also, when the sun rises, first we hear the cocks crowing, isn't it? The cock will crow first and then the sun rises. So this is the fact behind the cocks crowing when it is morning, when the sun rises. Okay children, all of you understood the story? It was very interesting now. Okay, they have given you the new words below this. So we'll read what are those new words. First one, gather is to come together. Praise is to admire. Punctuality is being in time. Place is to keep. Reward is for prize. Okay. So hope you all have understood the story. Okay, thanks for joining us. Have a great